In this quick guide I will show you how to update your DJI Air Unit firmware using the DJI O4 Pro as an example. Now let's download and install the DJI Assistant 2 application, which is required for the firmware update. You can download it using the link in the description below or by navigating to the official DJI website. On the website, scroll to the very bottom, click Download Center, then expand the Software section and the DJI Assistant 2 Series section. Click on the DJI Assistant 2 Consumer Drone Series application. Choose your operating system, download the application and install it on your computer following the on-screen instructions. Finally, launch the application when it's ready to use. Now let's move on to the DJI O4 Pro firmware update. Connect the Air Unit to your computer via USB. Once the device is detected by the DJI Assistant 2 application, click on the DJI O4 Air Unit Pro tile. Ensure you're on the firmware update page. Choose the latest available firmware version or the specific one you need. To review the changes, click the Release Note button. Before starting the update, make sure your Air Unit is in a well-ventilated area. This prevents it from overheating and shutting down during the update process. Click Upgrade, then Start Update and wait for the process to complete. During the update, the device will restart automatically to apply the new firmware. If for some reason this is not done, you should restart it manually. Your Air Unit is now running the newly installed firmware version. Thank you for watching. If this guide was helpful, please hit that like button. I will see you in the next one.